Sting want fix. Me know, Leng know every day you jump off my board and him no want talk, but me have to just talk and make you know. Sting want rebrand and come again. So all me did want Leng for do. Don't keep Sting. Please no keep Sting. When you come on to Foota Hype, the only reason for him a different Sting is because Scatter take away him girl.
If you don't have a good woman in your corner, like gone. Alright.
You know what I'm saying? Enough of them man here is not user. It's not every man is a user. You have some man who just want some woman firm and strong by them sides, standing up like a soldier, bridging.
Welcome to Foota TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Foota TV, you know, the man of peace. We say give thanks to life, great and strength, give thanks to another day. Life is the greatest gift, cherish each and every moment. So me I say, yeah, man, you know, the man of peace. We always say, take the violence off the streets. Yes, coming up in this vlog, yeah, next episode, and on Sunday, we have Nuffy done, Mc Nuffy. Do an interview up on Onstage, and you know I talk about Sting and Sting shouldn't keep and all them things there. Now me have respect for Nuffy. I'm a G, you know what I mean? But me, I will give my opinion on the matter. Me thinks Sting must keep. Sting should keep. So me I say so people are saying Nuffy switch, Nuffy a traitor, sell out and all of them things there. You see me? So I'm gonna take a little piece of the interview. So I'm gonna make on hear what Nuffy I say. So me I say and give my analysis, breakdown, opinion. You see me? Yes, so now watch it out to the ending and let me know what you think. We also have Foota Hypa say, yo, if you don't have a good man in your corner, you're like, gone, sorry for you know. And have a female, I say the same thing to say, some man just want a good man in them life, help pull with them, you know. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, you see me, and Nuffy also style Foota. So the reason why Foota take up this thing or two scatter take in Gyal, so I run through all of that. See me? Yeah man, so big up on yourself, don't go nowhere, you know, yeah.
Ayo, Lion Foot, TV, station, them have to know what going on. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, cross, tell them blood clot. Yabba you, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabba you, the black like a gang, them have to know what going on. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the eagle on check, me saw the girl around me. Me all purpose, me angle them vicious. Dash. Bang.
Alright, big up yourself. Yabba you, real veteran, you try for bus so long from out a tough gang. You see what I say? Anyway, here enough for yourself.
Me no run traitor game, me no run switch game, and me no run disrespect game. Saying Sting want fix.
So basically Nuffy say Sting want fix. He don't run hypocrite joke and him just a speak in mind and be honest, straightforward, but sometimes not everything good for talk. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just hold it. You see, because you speak good and say, oh, you be honest and fair, but yet still it come out in a bad way. You see me I say? Yeah man.
Me know, Leng know every day you jump off my board and him no want talk, but me have to just talk and make you know. Every day jump off my board because him know said one change and him no jump off my board after no disrespect now nothing at all. Him just jump off my board because where him want him that love it for go on and it not working at that format.
Anybody who did concern why every day left, I never know say every day left him and Sting link pathways business wise. No, Nuffy are going to clue. I'm not gonna know. Sting want fix.
Saying and it's a 3 team, me, Everyday and Leng. But Sting keep last year, it never have 2,000 people over there. And I know that. And Vybz Kartel come out of prison and then put him show on the 31st. Sting can't challenge that. And if you're not getting the artists that you want to promote, and I know enough artists, no artist in this moment going to want to challenge Vybz Kartel for say, them are going to do Sting the 7 days before.
My personal opinion, I think Sting must go ahead and nothing should not stop it. You see me I say, Kartel show the 31st and Sting is before that. You see me I say, and the next thing, any artist, if an artist book for Sting, no matter which caliber, size, them just go do it and have them fans. You know, Sting can change artist's career, you know. They do a good performance and them things take off worldwide, internationally. So, me personally, I agree with what Nuffy says. Sting we keep. You see me? And the next thing, if Vybz Kartel wasn't freed, we got Vybz Kartel. If he wasn't freed, would Nuffy be talking this way right now?
We know when an artist come from prison and people want to see him and the anticipation, you can't challenge that. And I know that Leng know that. But listen me have to call it. Cause me mostly call Sting.
Yes, you know, so Vybz Kartel like get a huge support. Just like the Buju Banton, you know. When Buju Banton just get released. At the same turn of Kartel like get even more. But that fact still remains. Sting must keep same way. If Leng want keep him sure, Sting fi keep. You see me, I just know say film fans and when you make film, you know. And the artists them, book it artists them when you can get and pay them. But me Sting fi keep, nothing enough to stop Sting. You see me I say?
Sting want rebrand and come again. So all me did want Leng for do. Don't keep Sting. Please not keep Sting.
Well, earlier on in the year, I see Nuffy end that Sting. Mad. And I said that Sting got shot. But now Kartel really got released, him change him tune. You see me I say? And fuck it, when I need the eyeglass, we see say Nuffy rate Vybz Kartel to the ground over Leng and over Sting. You know what I mean? And Sting fi keep. That's just my opinion. Sting code a Sting code, Joe code a Joe code, and Kartel code a Kartel code. Kartel event is just a one-off event. You know, Sting is a year-to-year thing, so Sting fi keep, man.
I want you to just say, watch ya. I could give Vybz Kartel a year and ask Vybz Kartel if he can come to Sting next year.
People, comment below and let me know if you think Vybz Kartel would have give Sting the Leng a show next year. Remember, if Sting not keep this year and done, Sting done, dead. Sting are gonna let down the fans them where believe in a Sting. You know why Sting fi keep? What about the people who cannot afford to go Kartel show? Them are gonna look forward to go a Sting show. And the people who want to go Kartel show, they're gonna go Sting show. Because they must say, yo, Kartel, I get them money. But what to the Sting fans them? If Sting not keep, Sting not gonna let down for them fans. Leng not gonna let down him fans them. You see me? So Sting for keep, man. Yeah, man.
He may sound away, he may look away, but Leng me attack the truth. Yeah, I'm a general and I respect you. Whether you're vex or whatever the whole situation, the truth is just the truth.
Yes, my people, we know that Nuffy is a good brother, you know, and he might try to be fair and square, a good Samaritan and them things. But sometimes, and everything good for talk, as I said earlier. You see me, I say, better if you just hold it. You see me? And just make Leng do them thing and keep them show. Don't tell them don't keep them show, man.
When you come on to Foota Hype, the only reason for him a defense thing is because Scatter take with him girl. Him not a defense thing on a general level. Me know that. And me a Sting defender. So if me say Leng, call it a truth, call it a truth.
Anyway, nothing easy, you know. The man if fire shots at Foota, the man say, yo, the reason why Foota a different Sting, I choose Scatter take me and girl. No, Foota talk and Sting facts and Foota talk facts. Things that me agree with and enough people agree with. Sting for keep. Yeah, man. Kartel show different from Sting show. And as well, Leng say, as long as a far apart, the date them nothing wrong with that. So Sting for keep. I'm surprised to hear enough you say Sting not for keep. I better if him not say nothing and if him not want to be a part of Sting, stay far from Sting. This year, you see me? That's just my personal opinion. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, here Foota. So Foota make a little speech. In every relationship, a man need a strong woman, and a strong woman need a strong man in them life to make the relationship go on, you know? Yeah, man, fruitful, prosperous. So here Foota.
Some of the man need to hear this. You see, if you don't have a good woman in your corner, your corner dark. Thank you, God. Wanna listen to me again, you know. If you don't have a good woman in your corner, like gone. Alright.
Real talk. Who agree with Foota Hype? Let me know in the comment section below. Again, every man need a strong woman in them life, and every woman need a strong man in them life to pull together. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So anyway, here with the lady I say no, she back up Foota talk. Here what she say.
You know say, enough of them man here is not user. Is not every man is a user. You have some man who just want some woman firm and strong by them side, standing up like a soldier bridging. But no for uno woman no stay so dog. That's why some of them man deal with some with so. And then, brother, I don't care who want come out come bash me, cause that video I just be a truth me at that right now. You see what me say? And not every man I use, and not every man I go use, and not every man use woman. You have some man to, he meet you and him think you are the one. You see what me say? Him have good intentions for you one day with you and thing. But you see true him sister use a loco gold digger, he start show the dirty side of him. Cause you have some, every man will show dirty side to a woman. You know say him have a good side. But it takes a woman to bring out a good side in him. Not any type of woman. A good woman to bring out a good side in him. You understand? So you see if him see you and him see you as a gold digger, him a go treat you like some any other random girl out the road. Cause his sister is a gold digger, you don't want him. Enough of them man you want a nice woman to settle along with, but enough of una know that. You understand? So them just treat you like
Why I not like that woman? Round of applause. Anybody not agree with her? Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah man, she talk facts. As I say, but I don't know, I hit that in my viewers and subscribers. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you have done so, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know the man of peace. And we always have to take the violence off the streets. Yes man, big up Foota, big up Nuffy Dan. And I don't know, big up Onstage, freedom platform the footage come from. As I say, big up Jason, big up Winford. As I say, and big up Sting, big up Vybz Kartel. Up.